I'm Ashley. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to do some more cooking AIP style. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, here we talk about autoimmune diseases, symptoms, how to eat, how to cope, and just kind of to create a dialogue with each other so that we don't have to go through this alone. All right, so today I'm going to make AIP pancakes because it is a cold, blizzardy day here and we have no school, and I thought, what is better than some good old comfort food on a cold day? I also have been struggling with my energy levels, and so I'm also gonna make some date balls, which are supposed to like give you a good old boost. So stay tuned. If you're interested in that, hit subscribe and ring the little bell so you're notified of my content. Okay, to make yummy AIP pancakes, you're going to need 1 cup of arrowroot flour, and if you watched my video yesterday, I said that was a great gluten-free flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of coconut flour, which is another great gluten-free flour, a half a cup of applesauce, and an entire can of coconut milk, full fat, the kind that comes in the can. Mine looks a little runny because I scoop it out and I like throw it in the microwave for just a little bit so that it gets nice and soft. That helps the dough kind of form up. Yeah, so that's all you need. Super simple, 5 ingredients, and they are so good. Okay, so once you add all your ingredients together, this is what you will get. It will be kind of like a pudding type consistency. This isn't pudding, this is more like dough. There we go, that's what I'm looking for. Doughy consistency. And don't worry about that because once you get it on your hot pan, it melts and it becomes, really battery. So that's what it should look like. You won't have this much. I added some of mine to an existing batter I had going because we eat this a lot. Okay, so you put a big dollop in there and you kind of gotta manipulate it around a little bit. This is not like traditional pancakes. You want it to be, I don't know, sorry, I'm like drifting off. Yeah, there, that looks about right for a good pancake. They should all be about that size. I would only recommend doing 1 or 2 at a time because they're very sensitive to heat, but that's what it should look like. And then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so while my pancake bakes, I'm gonna have a sippy sip of tea. I have not been feeling the best. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that. And today I am drinking turmeric tea, which is very good, very anti-inflammatory. So that's where it's at for me today. I forgot to say that I sprinkle my pancakes with cinnamon. It adds a really delicious flavor. All right, here's my fancy pancake trick. Woo!
Yay!
Okay, so this is about the coloring that you're looking for in your pancake. And you don't really have to use a lot of greasy. They slide around because of the coconut oil that is in the batter. And they look and taste delicious. All right, here's the finished product. Yum. I added organic maple syrup and a little bit of ghee. I'm allowed that in my reintroduction phase. And that was pretty simple. Now I'm gonna make some energy-filled date bars. Balls, not bars, balls. Okay, so now we're gonna make some date balls because they are packed with dates. And those are really good for energy and they're low in fat and high in potassium. So they're really good for you. So it's a very simple recipe. I'm just gonna walk you through the process and then I'm gonna go eat my pancakes, have some energy treats later, and play some games with my kids because it's a snow day. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And question of the day is, what comfort food do you like? And how did you adapt it to your diet if you changed it? I will see you guys on Tuesday. Have a great weekend. You will need 1 cup of medjool dates, and you will want to soak them in 3 tablespoons of hot boiling water. You will need about 1 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut to roll your date balls in. You will need a food processor to make these. I don't think a blender would work. After about 5 minutes of soaking the dates with the hot water, You're going to put them into the food processor and blend them until they form a paste, making sure you scrape down the edges. After the dates have been blended up, you want to form balls and rub those balls into the coconut, and it will stick to them very nicely, and then you throw them in the fridge for about 15 minutes and boom, you got energy packed date balls. Okay, so here's my famous pancake trick.